So here we are. We're over here at East Tupelo. Well, that's the name of this place, but it's Elvis's birthplace. Though a lot of people don't know that he wasn't actually born right here necessarily, but this was the house that he used. They just moved it for this beautiful spot. We're here with this is our second day of Elvis week. Tomorrow will be our last and final day. But this is the house. We're going to go inside. It is $20 a person to do this and the church. We're waiting for 11:30 to come so we can go into the church, and then we're going to stay in line for this. We also have a concert of an Elvis impersonator, so we're really excited there. Amber's with our family inside the main building. They have like other things that they're doing in there. They have a couple of different booths and stuff. We actually met. His name is Jackie Prather, we believe his last name is. I know his first name is Jackie. He actually knew and was friends with Elvis. He was talking about going to the creek, which we'll show you guys when we get done here. But this is really cool. We're really excited. There's a ton of people. Today is Fan Appreciation Day, and yeah, we're just really excited that we're here. So just have fun with this video. This is day 2 of Elvis week, and enjoy the video. Oh, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, because we are Echo Travel Ventures. We are here from Tupelo, Mississippi, Elvis's birthplace, for Fan Appreciation Day. We got a lot of things we're going to do here, and then we're going to go back to Memphis later on today. So thanks for stopping by. Here's the gift store shop. They do have this nice looking t-shirt, Fan Appreciation Day for 2022, which is really cool. Has the house in the middle and everything else. They also have pins that they give you when you buy your tour. That's the highlight of it all. So when you come back around here, you can see all this stuff here. Looks like they have the media here too. But all the staff is wearing these shirts and everything. So it's really cool. So Amber, you're not going to be able to hear her because the mic's facing me. But they have snow cones. They actually have food trucks. We sat there and we were hungry. We were starving. And they had food trucks. And Amber is chowing away. What kind did you get? You got peach, pineapple, and watermelon. And it's melting real quick. We need to get out of the sun. So this is really cool. So when we went through the house, they didn't have a lot of like the spiel that they normally do. They tell you at the end, but it's still pretty cool. So this is Johnny's original barbecue place. It's a nice little drive-in. We're actually going to go inside where Elvis sat. So this is where he used to come when he was a kid. It was really cool. Alright, so this is the menu. This is the backside. So we got appetizers. They actually have a dough burger, which Amber's going to be the brave one and try it. It has flour, very little minimal meat. So this is the burgers. They have the sandwiches. It is Pepsi products. Your sides on the side. And then you have Johnny's Drive-In with all this other good stuff.
Tupelo's oldest restaurant.
Yep, and this is where, oh yeah, Tupelo's oldest restaurant.
But look, it's not that far away from the
No.
house.
So, come all the way out to the road. They got Elvis playing, which is cool. So, just to kind of give you a reference, if you go this way, that goes towards the house. If you go that way, that goes downtown to where the 80s hardware store is and everything else. And then if you go this way, it takes you to Jesse's grave and the elementary. So over here off of Jefferson and Robbins lies this beautiful spot, Musuem Junior High, where Elvis spent his 7th grade and part of his 8th grade year here. Now, I'm not exactly sure how far it is from the house, but it's quite a ways. I'll clock it and put it down below. But this is crazy how far this is. So I wonder if he would walk or ride a bicycle or whatever, but it's really cool. If you notice that this is like so old, and we'll drive up closer, and then over here looks more brand new and everything else. So right back here is Elvis's old house, like actually right where that truck just turned, you can actually see the house. And so according to Jackie Prather, the one that we talked to, what he and Elvis did and another buddy of theirs, they would walk down here all the way down to the creek down here. It's called Mud Creek. So they would walk down here. Now Elvis wasn't allowed to go into the creek. So the story that all right, cool, we just found what we were looking for. So Jackie Prather said that they would come down here to this bridge and they would go underwater. Well, they couldn't afford swimming suits, so what they would do is they would swim naked. Well, what Elvis did, because he didn't want to be, he wasn't allowed to be at the creek, he would strip down to his underwear, and then they splashed him, so they hung up his underwear in a tree, and then they got their stuff and they left, and they went back home. Well, what ended up happening was Gladys, Elvis's mom, found out, and boom, got in trouble, got his butt whooped, according to Jackie. But there's an old bridge that he said, I don't know if this is original or not, but the creek is right over here. Oh, wow. This is exciting. We're on an adventure. So here it is. This is the Mud Creek. This is where they would have swam and all that fun stuff. More than likely, in one of these areas, Elvis Presley was in his skivvies getting splashed on, and then he threw one of his underwear. So over here, this probably would have put one of his underwears in, and he got in trouble. It's really cool.
No water had
Baby, let me be your loving teddy bear. Pull a chain around my neck, Lord, lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be. Oh, teddy bear. I don't want to be the tiger. Tigers blend too rough. I don't want to be a lion. Lions ain't the kind you love. Just want to be your teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck and lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be. Oh, teddy bear. Let me be. Oh, let me be your teddy bear. You know I can't be found sitting home all alone. You can't come around. At least please telephone. Don't be cruel. Too hard, that's true. Well, baby, if I made you mad from something that I might have said, please let's forget the past. I'm gonna kick and run it. Don't be cruel. Too hard, that's true. Oh, I don't want no other love. Baby, just you only love. Don't be cruel. Oh. Too hard, that's true. Don't be cruel. Too hard, that's true. I don't want no other love. Baby, just you only love.